This is a What's in the Box video for Terraforming Mars Prelude, an expansion for Terraforming Mars. Let's take a look. So here's the instructions. Basically tells you how to use the cards in Prelude. And I've already opened the cards. They don't come in a package like this, but we can take a look at the cards here. So corporation, another corporation, another corporation, another corporation, and another corporation. It's always good to, I feel like one of the best things of Terraforming Mars is to get more corporations. So now they add these Prelude cards here, which are additional bonuses you can get to start off your game. So the nice thing about Prelude, and we'll just go through them here, you can see what they are, is that you get kind of a head start on and get some like objectives going. So that speeds up the game. So one thing with Terraforming Mars is the early game can drag on a little bit. And this helps give it a little jump start. Also, differentiates you a little bit more from your opponents. So ton of different preload cards. I believe you get a few and you randomly, or a few randomly selected, and you choose two, if I recall the rules. So, but they're all great, right? It's like you get a whole bunch of different bonuses for your, for your corporation from your starting. The other nice thing is if you play with Prelude and the other expansions, which tend to lengthen the game a little bit, it kind of evens out. So that's a bonus. And I assume with Turmoil, which is apparently the longest expansion, it will, Prelude will be kind of a must play with expansion. Man, there's a lot of Prelude cards in here. Wassa. Acquired space agency. Okay, so now we have the new regular cards. So if we take a look at these, I'm just going to show them here. I'm not going to talk about them. But it feels like about 10 new cards. Couple. The one thing I don't like about Terraforming Mars is the take that cards, although I guess, if you have enough cards, you can just remove them from the game. And a solo mode goal. So you have it. That's Terraforming Mars Prelude. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.